Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make Google do the barrel roll. Okay, literally Google, to make Google the barrel roll, just go to Google and just search here, do a barrel roll, yeah, barrel roll, and just click search. Okay, and you can actually see it is doing the barrel roll, right? It is quite easy. It's a fun trick by Google, and if you click here, click to play barrel roll by Google, it will automatically do one more barrel roll. Okay, it is fun, right? And if you want to do more than one, maybe do a barrel roll 20 times. If you click that and click here, the one by elg.im, just click here and you can actually do it. Is actually doing the barrel roll 20 times, and you can even do the barrel roll 100 times if you want. Okay, so it is a fun trick by Google. I hope it helps you to do the barrel roll. And so anyway guys, see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.